how to start your affiliate marketing on Amazon. So if you find this video tutorial helpful, please consider clicking on that subscribe button and that bell icon on so you'd be updated if there are new uploads in this channel. So let's go. So what is affiliate marketing and how does it work? Affiliate marketing is a process where publishers earn a commission by using an affiliate link to promote a product or service made by another retailer or advertiser. The affiliate partner is rewarded a payout for providing a specific result to the retailer or advertiser. So if you want to earn through affiliate marketing, you have come to the right video. So without further ado, let us start this tutorial. So we are here on our Amazon or in the Amazon website. So what you need to do is just go to the Amazon website. So for me, I am living in the Philippines, so I will see this kind of homepage since I am in the Philippines. But if you're in the US, you will see Amazon.com, or if you're in the UK, you will see Amazon.com or .co.uk. So once you are here, what you need to do is scroll down all the way down to the bottom, and you will see a option called Associate Program. And in here, the option Associate Program, we can start our sign up process since we are going to be an associate of Amazon or going to start an affiliate link or marketing strategy for them. So once you have done that, we are going to see a page like this where we are going to provide a website for our affiliate marketing strategy or affiliate marketing purpose. So in here, you must have a website on where you can promote your Amazon products or the products of your choice. So for example, if you have a website or a blog, you can use it and paste it in the URL. And also if you have a YouTube channel, you can as well put it in there and act as your website. Since I have my YouTube channel here, so I will be putting my YouTube channel there as my URL on that website information. So if you don't have, you can create one, or you have any other things from other social media accounts, you can put it in there so you will be accepted for your affiliate marketing application. So moving on next, so if you have put your YouTube channel in your account there for your affiliate marketing, what you need to do is provide a description for your account. So you will see here in this section, so what are your websites or mobile apps about? So since we have a video or a YouTube channel, for example, so I have here put my YouTube channel is about making money. So this is just an example, and business or finance, but you can describe your YouTube channel and you can say you have this amount of subscribers. So let me just tell you guys that you don't need an insane amount of subscribers for you to be accepted in this affiliate marketing position or affiliate marketing job. So you just need to have a good base of supporters for your website or your YouTube for example the YouTube channel, so we can market this kind of products that we want to market. And of course guys, just another tip in here in this tutorial is you need to be more detailed about your website for you to be accepted. So it means that the more detailed the better, so you will get accepted in this affiliate marketing position. So after that, what we need to do is choose or which topics best describes our websites. So we have like gaming, books, computer software and technology. So what you need to do is just simply pick one so that the Amazon can know what your website is all about. And also here you can just check on the items that is applicable to your website, so you can have a better affiliate marketing setup for yourself. And in the traffic and monetization, so there are a few times that some people do not get accepted in applying for this affiliate marketing type of job. Is it because of the traffic and monetization thing that they have chosen. So they have chosen the page search button. So for me, another tip for you guys is to choose the SEOs, the blogs, and all that thing. So with this, you can get easily accepted for the affiliate marketing application that you have sent to Amazon. So let's say you have been accepted in the application of your Amazon, you have received your email, you have received your confirmation. So where to find your links? If you have problems, I will show you how to do this. So without further ado, I will show you. Let's go. So we have here a Canon camera. So we have decided that this will be the product that we will put in our affiliate strategy. So what we need to do is find its link. So this is how you do it. So at the top there, you can see your socials like Facebook and Twitter. So that means that you have logged in your website. So for me, I have my YouTube channel. So for example, this is the page. So you can go to the text right there and you will see the link. So just copy the link, and that is the link for your affiliate marketing strategy. So you can use that link to promote on your website. So how to promote your links? Well, I have a good idea about this, since based on experience, you can use either YouTube channel or a blog, since these are search-based marketing strategies. So this will get more customers to be invited to your link. So this means that there will be more commissions from Amazon to you, since there are more visits on the link and more chances of making sales. So for example, you have done your setup, your signing process, your website or your YouTube channel or blog that you want to have your affiliate marketing with. So for example, I have here a website. So this is a blog type website where I have my affiliate marketing links embedded. So if a person checks this out, they will be redirected to the Amazon shop where they can buy the item, and me as the one who affiliated this link will have a commission. So if you are really sure in embarking on this affiliate marketing journey, you must know that the commission rates are actually depending on the product that you have affiliated with or you have promoted. So different products have different commission rates. So big products, this means that big products have bigger commission rates and smaller products have smaller commission rates. So if you don't know what I mean, I have here a table that represents the commission rates for items. So you will see there that the Amazon games are actually the highest rates with 20%, and of course like physical books and things like that have lower physical rates, and with the lowest physical rates or lowest commission rates rather have 0%, just like gift cards and things like that. So these are the rates, just so you know before embarking on this affiliate marketing journey. However guys, there are other ways on you to embark on this affiliate marketing journey, such as the website ClickBank. So I hope this tutorial helped you. Consider liking and subscribe, and see you on the next video.